Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Learning Amharic with Agali. Today, we'll be continuing our journey by learning 50 new words and phrases in Amharic. Building on what we've learned last time, these words will further expand your vocabulary, helping you to engage in simple conversations easily.
Good morning for male.
እንደምን አደርክ?
Good morning for female.
እንደምን አደርሽ?
Good night for male.
ደህና አደር።
Good night for female.
ደህና ደሪ።
How much?
ስንት?
How old are you for male?
ስንት ዓመትህ ነው?
How old are you for female?
ስንት ዓመትሽ ነው?
I don't understand.
አልገባኝም።
I love you for male.
እወድሃለሁ።
I love you for female.
እወድሻለሁ።
Market.
ገበያ።
Street or road.
መንገድ።
Taxi.
ታክሲ።
Hospital.
ሐኪም ቤት።
Restaurant.
ምግብ ቤት።
Bank.
ባንክ።
Right.
ቀኝ።
Left.
ግራ።
Straight.
ቀጥታ።
Far.
ሩቅ።
mother,
እናት
father,
አባት
brother,
ወንድም
sister,
እህት
friend,
ጓደኛ
child,
ሕፃን
man,
ወንድ
woman,
ሴት
family,
ቤተሰብ
teacher,
አስተማሪ
one,
አንድ
two,
ሁለት
three,
ሶስት
four,
አራት
five,
አምስት
six,
ስድስት
seven,
ሰባት
eight,
ስምንት
nine,
ዘጠኝ
ten,
አስር
hot,
ሙቅ
cold,
ቀዝቃዛ
fast,
ፈጣን
slow,
ቀስ
he ate,
በላ
he drank,
ጠጣ
I want,
እፈልጋለሁ
here,
እዚህ
there,
እዛ እዚህ ሌላ ሬስቶራንት አለ?
አዎ፣ ቀጥታ ሂድ፣ ሩቅ አይደለም።
አመሰግናለሁ።
ደህና ሁን።
In Ethiopia, showing respect is key, especially when talking to an elder person or a person with position of authority. The formal way to address someone is to use their plural form instead of their singular form, even if you're talking to a single person. So for example, instead of saying ትፈልጋለህ, meaning you want, you might use the polite form ይፈልጋሉ when talking to an elder person or an unfamiliar person. Similarly, to ask someone to enter, instead of saying ግባ for male or ግቢ for female, you might use the polite form ይግቡ. This shows respect and is one of our main pillars of the society.
How do you say I love you to a woman?
እወድሻለሁ.
How do you say hot?
ሙቀት.
How do you say seven?
ሰባት.
How do you say good night?
ደህና እደር for male. That concludes our list of 50 basic Amharic words and phrases. Try to use words like እናት, mother, abat, father, and numbers like and, one, and two, ሁለት, in your daily thoughts. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed our time, please like and subscribe for more lessons on learning the Amharic language. Don't forget, learning Amharic or learning any language for that matter is a consistent effort. So with that in mind, I leave you. Goodbye for now.